Hey, this is Paul, and this is a budget, incomplete Dark World deck. Okay, let's start. I run one Battle Pack Fabled Raven, the common one, cheap, one Trans-Archfiend, one Beige, and one Morphing Jar. I also run one Silver, one Gold, just for the extra beast stick, because why not? I run 3 Brows, 3 Snows, 3 Gafflers. And that is it for monsters. Now to traps, I run 1 Torrential, 1 Mirror Force, because pretty much hand in hand. Yeah, I run 2 Skill Drain. Oh my gosh, Skill Drain wreck almost everything. But then again, Skill Drain really affects my Morphing Jar, Trance and Fabled, but then yeah, I never go wrong with it. So in my opinion, it's good. I run 2 Bottomless so they don't get on the field, 2 Mind Crush because of the drag down, of course, 3 Reckless Greed, guess you can say it's a turbo build because turbo is epic, not the spells, 3 Gates, beautiful, 3 Drag Downs, 1 Proxy because I can't find another one, 3 Dealings, I don't care about mirror matches, just side them out later, 1 Dark Hole, Allure, Reborn, Foolish, and Card Destruction. Okay, now to my extra deck. I run 1 Malefic Stardust Dragon, cause I don't know, it's pretty G, I guess. When I ran this in main deck and then it was pretty epic, but then decided to side it out for now. An extra Beige, 2 Trances, Return from a Different Dimension, discard. I never had a chance to use it yet, but then when I do, and it would be epic. Deck Devastation Virus, I'll probably get 2 later. Starlight Road, 2 Magic Cylinders to troll, an extra Torrential, 3 MSTs for those macro cosmoses. Now to my side, I run Utopia, Leviathan, Chimera Tech, 2 Stardust because of Starlight Road, and yeah, Malefic, 1 Surgent's Swag. Yeah, this card's pretty beast with Fabled Raven. Can tap twice. Beautiful card. Paul, the sexy beast of Dark World, broken as F. This card is legit. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I would love to get some tips and whatnot about this build. Probably get Tory Guide soon, hopefully. And then yeah, I'll do another updated vid later.